welcome. This is Devanshi Shah and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. Wet and breezy climate is going to come across the entire nation of UK on Wednesday evening and overnight. Substantial downpour will spread from west to east and could result in limited flooding in a few ranges. Northern Ireland was influenced by the downpour, with the east shoreline of England being arrived at by midnight. Gusts of up to 80 miles per hour were recorded. This gusty wind will most likely be across Ireland and the UK, which causes damages to trees, power lines, and bring large waves to the coasts of Wales and southern England. More than 200 schools were shut in Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Rail administration was suspended in Scotland and streets were obstructed by wrecks of coal streets. According to weather forecaster, Scotland and Northern Ireland could also see some more snow falling and downpour. Overwhelming precipitation will likewise bring the danger of flooding, particularly in Scotland as after a short time of snow. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Devanshi Shah.